numbers. So based on that, we are going to solve today exercise 3.3. In the first way, we are given one of the table and some of the numbers. So we have to check whether they are divisible by the given number or not. Yes, that way you can do it in your textbook. Okay. Yes. Here I have taken the second way. Using divisibility test, determine which of the following numbers are divisible by 4 and by 8. Okay. So in the second way, they are given the 10 problems. Here I have taken 3 questions. Okay. Then the first C question is 5500. So we have to check whether the number is divisible by 4 and by 8. So we know that what is the divisibility rule by 4. The number which ends with the number having the last 2 digits means ones and tens places or 0 or divisible by 4. Then the whole number is divisible by 4. Okay. Then the 8, the last 3 digits means ones, tens, hundred places or 0 or divisible by 8. Okay. Yes. Let's check here the C question 5500. For to test the number is divisible by 4, we have to observe the last 2 digits. Yes, last 2 digits are here 0. So the whole number 5500 is divisible by 4. Okay. Then similarly observe here for the divisible by 8. So is it divisible by 8? Check here. It is the 500. For to test the divisibility by 8, we have to observe the last 3 places, that is ones, tens, 100. So here there is a 500. We have to check 500 is divisible by 8 or not. Okay. Yes. First one 8 6 48. Remainder is 2. Then 0. Take 2 downside. 8 how much is 20? It will not come. 8 2 is 16. Remainder is 4. So it will not divide the given number clearly. So because here there is the remainder, so we should get the remainder 0, but we didn't get here. So the whole number 5500 is not divisible by 8. Okay. Yes, let's write the solution here. 5500, the first one, that is divisible by 4. 5500 is divisible by 4 as its last 2 places or 0. Okay. Then next, similarly by 8, 5500 is not divisible by 8 as its last 3 digits. Last 3 digits are not divisible. By 8. Okay. Let's go to the E question. Yes, observe here. To check whether the number is divisible by 4 or not. Yes, we have to observe the last 2 places, that is ones and tens places or 0 or multiples of 4 or divisible by 4. Similarly by 8. So we have to observe the last 3 places, that is ones, tens and 100 places. Yes, let's check whether it is divided by 8 or not. Yes, 159 divided by 8. Yes, 8 ones are 8. Remainder 8 borrow 15 minus 8 is 7, then 0, 9 downside, then 8 9 ja 72 is here, then the remainder 5. So the last 3 digits are not divisible by the 8, then the whole number is not divisible by 8. Okay, solution. 12,159 is to check the divisibility by 4. We have to observe the 2 digits is not divisible by 4, as its last 2 digits are not divisible by 4. Okay, similarly divisible by 8 is write the given number 12,159, underline the last 3 places, that is 1s, 10s and 100, is not divisible by 8, as its last 3 places are not divisible by 8. Okay, yes. Similarly, do the H question. Yes, here H question is 3,17,95,072. So first we have to check divisible by 4 or not. Yes, observe here 1s and 10s places. 1s and 10s places it has 72. So 72 is divisible by 4 or not. Let's check here. 72 divided by 4. Yes. 4 ones are 4. Subtract here. 7 minus 4 is 3. Then the remainder, that is 3. Then take 2 downside. 4 8 32. Yes. Then the remainder is 0. So hence the whole given number is divisible by 4. Then similarly check whether it is divisible by 8 or not. Yes. Here take the last 3 places. Yes, that is 100, 10s and 1s. So in the 100 place there is 0. So it is 72. Yes. Divided by 8. 8 9 72. Yes. The remainder is 0. Hence the whole number is divisible by 8. Okay. Yes. Let's write the solution. Write the given number 3,17,95,072. So we are first writing divisible by 4. Yes, is divisible by 4, as its last 2 digits are divisible by 4. Okay. Then similarly for the divisibility by 8, is write the given number 3,17,95,072 is divisible by 8, as its last 3 places or last 3 digits, as its last 3 digits or divisible by each. Okay, yes, the second one is completed. Let's go to the third one. The third one is using divisibility test, determine which of the following numbers are divisible by 6. So here we have to check the given numbers are divisible by 6 or not. Okay, so they given the 10 questions. In that I have taken the 2 different questions, that is C question and I question. Okay, yes, let's start to check whether the number is divisible by 6 or not. You see here the C question is 4335. So what it says that the divisibility by 6 is, if the number is divisible by both 2 and 3, then the whole number is divisible by 6. Is it? Yes. What it says the divisibility by 2 is, if the number at the unit place it has 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, then the number is divisible by 2. Or the last place or the unit place, the number unit place having the multiples of 2, then the whole number is divisible by 2. You see here in the unit place there is a 5, so it is not a multiple of 2, then the number is not divisible by 2. Okay, yes, and also the divisibility by 3. Yes, what it says the divisibility by 3 is the sum of the digits of a given number is a multiple of 3 or divisible by 3. Is it? Yes, see here what is the sum of the digits here, that is 4 plus 3 plus 3 plus 5. Is what is the sum here? 4 plus 3 7, 7 plus 3 10, 10 plus 5 15. Yes, 15 is a multiple of 3, means 3 5s are 15, hence the whole number is divisible by 3. Okay, yes, let's write the solution here. Solution is, write the given number 4335 is not, underline the ones place, is not divisible by 2, comma, as its unit place is has odd number. 5 is an odd number, has odd number. Okay, then similarly for the 3 is 4335 is divisible by 3, comma, as its sum of digits. What is the sum of digits here? That is 15. Sum of digits in bracket, right? 15 is multiple of 3. Multiple of 3. Hence, the whole number 4335 is not divisible by 6. Why? Because here it is not divisible by 2 and it is divisible by 3. But the rule says that if the number is divisible by both, but here it is not divisible by the both, hence the whole number is not divisible by 6. Okay? Yes. Therefore, hence 4335 is not divisible by 6. Okay? Yes. Similarly, let's check whether the given number, similarly check the other number, that is 6,39,210 is divisible by 6 or not. Okay? Yes. So before going to check whether the number is divisible by 6 or not, first we have to check it is divisible by 2 or not? Yes, observe the ones place, it has 0, so it is divisible by 2. Is it? Yes. Then similarly, the divisible by 3. So if the sum of the digits or multiple of 3 or divisible by 3, then the whole number is divisible by 3. Yes, let's check whether it is divisible by 3 or not. Yes, sum of the digits is, that is 6 plus 3 plus 9 plus 2 plus 1 plus 0. Yes, what is the sum here? 6 plus 3, 9, 9 plus 9, 18, 18 plus 2, 20, 20 plus 1, 21, 21 plus 0, that is also 21. Yes, it is divisible by 3. Yes, we can conclude that the given number is divisible by 2 and also by 3, then the whole number is divisible by 6. Okay, yes, let's write the solution here. Solution. Write the given number. 6,39,210 is divisible by 2, as its unit place has 0. Then next, 6,39,210 is divisible by 3 is divisible by 3, as its sum of digits that is 21, sum of digits is noted by 21 is multiple of 3, hence we can write that the whole number, that is 6,39,210 is divisible by 6. Therefore 6,39,210 is divisible by 6. Okay, is it clear? Then the fifth question is, write the smallest digit and the greatest digit in the blank space each of the following numbers, so that the number formed is divisible by 3. So here the first question they are given. So here the first they given space 6, 7, 2, 4. So we have to form the number using the smallest and the greatest digits. So is divisible by 3. So which numbers we have to take? So we have to take that here there is a single space. So we have to use single digit numbers from the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Okay, so here these are the digits. So using these digits, so we have to make the numbers. So first we have to use the smallest number. Solution, smallest number. Yes, which is the smallest number we have to use? Yes, smallest number we have to use here. First, smallest number. Yes, let's check here. So which is the smallest number we need to add here? Yes, so sum of the digits of the number is a multiple of 3 or divisible by 3. Is it? Yes, let's check here. 4 plus 2, 6, 6 plus 7, 13, 13 plus 6, 19. Yes, here there is a 19. Okay, so the nearest multiple is 21. So which is the smallest digit we have to need? So we have to fill here. Yes, that is 21 minus 19 is, that is 2. The smallest digit is, smallest number we have to add here, that is 2. The smallest number 2 we have to fill in the space. Okay, next sum of the digits are 2. In the space we get 2. 2 plus 6 plus 7 plus 2 plus 4. Yes, what is the sum of these three? digits, that is 2 plus 6, 8, 8 plus 7, 15, 15 plus 2, 17, 17 plus 4, 21. If 21 is a multiple of 3, then the number is divisible by 3. Okay. Similarly, we have to fill the greatest digit. So, greatest digit we have to fill here, that is the greatest number. The greatest number. So, which number we have to fill here? Let's see here. Keep the space. Plus 6 plus 7 plus 2 plus 4, which is equal to big. Sum of these digits is 90. Is it? So, which is the greatest digit we have to add? If we add 9, 19 plus 9 is 28. So, 28 is not a multiple of 3. So, we have to add 8. Yes, the greatest number is 8. So, if we add 8 in the space, we will get the multiple of 3. Yes, add here 8 plus 6, 14. 14 plus 7, 21. 21 plus 2, 23. 23 plus 4, 27. Yes, 27 is a multiple of 3. Then, like this, we can form the number is divisible by 3 using the smallest and greatest number. Okay? Yes. Let's go to the B question. See here, B question 4, 7, 6, 5 space and 2. Okay, so in this space, which is the smallest number we have to add or we have to fill? So the full number, the whole number forms the divisibility by. The whole number is divisible by 3. Yes, let's see here the smallest number solution. The smallest number. Which is the smallest number we have to fill in the space. First, see the sum of the digits. 4 plus 7 plus 6 plus 5 plus space plus 2. Okay? Yes. Sum of the digits are 4 plus 7, 11, 11 plus 6, 17, 17 plus 5, 22, 22 plus 2 is 24. Yes, 24 is a multiple of 3 and therefore is a multiple of 3. Then which is the smallest number we have to fill in the space? Yes, that is 0. 0 is the smallest number we can fill here. Yes, then the whole number is divisible by 3. Then similarly, the greatest number. Fill the greatest number in the space. Greatest number. It's right here. Sum of the digits. 4 plus 7 plus 6 plus 5 plus space plus 2. Okay. Yes. 4 plus 7, 11, 11 plus 6, 17, 17 plus 5, 22, 22 plus 2, 24. So, if I add 9 to the given sum, what we get? If I add 9, I will get 33. Is it? So, if I add 9 to the given sum, I will get the 33. So, it is the greatest number we have to fill in the space. Then we will get the sum, that is 33. 33. Is it? Yes. So, like this we have to fill the smallest and greatest number in the given blank space and forms the number is divisible by 3. Okay. Yes. Let's go to the sixth main. The sixth main is write a digit in the blank space each of the following numbers so that the numbers formed is divisible by 11. Here they are given the two questions. Is here 9, 2 space 3, 8, 9. So in the space we have to fill the number and forms the divisible by 11. And the formed number is divisible by 11. Okay. Yes. Let's see. We know that the divisibility by the 11 says that sum of the difference between the sum of the digits at the odd places and sum of the digits at even places is equal to 0 or multiple of 11 or divisible by 11. Easy. Yes. First to do that, here is solution. Yes. First write the even and odd places here. Odd, even, odd, even, odd, even. For the blank space also we have to keep the even and odd places. Okay. Then sum of digits at odd places, which is equals to sum of the digit and odd places is odd places, there is 9 plus 3 plus 2. Is what is the sum of these three digits, which is equals to 9 plus 3 12, 12 plus 2 14. Okay. Similarly, sum of digits at even places. Yes. Sum of the digits at even places is, in the even place there is 8 plus, in the even place there is a blank space, so we have to write a. We don't know that value, so we have to write a, then plus 9, which is equals to 8 plus 9, that is 17. 17 plus 8. Okay. Yes. Then the difference is equals to difference, which is equals to, so 70 plus a, 70 plus a minus 14. So which is equals to, we need 11, divisible by 11. So I have written 11 here. Okay. Then 70 minus 14. 17 minus 14 is 3 plus a, which is equals to 11. Okay. So if the 3, it will goes to the right hand side, it will get subtracted, then therefore a is equals to 11 minus 3, which is equals to 8. So we have to fill the number in the blank, that is 8. Therefore 9, 2, in the space we have to write 8, 3, 8, 9 is divisible by 11. Divisible by 11. Okay. Yes. Similarly, do the B1. Yes. Right here, odd places and even places here. Yes. The first one is odd, even, odd, even, odd, and even. Yes. In the solution, sum of the digits at odd places. Solution. The sum of digits at odd places. Odd places. Which is equals to 4 plus 4 plus, in the space there is nothing, so we have to write 8, which is equals to 4 plus 4 8, 8 plus 8, 8 plus 8. Okay. Yes. Similarly, sum of the digit at even places. Yes. Sum of digits at even places. Sum of digit at even places, which is equals to, is in the even place there is a 8 plus 9 plus 8, which is equals to 8 plus 8 16, 16 plus 9 25. Yes, then the difference is equals to, yes, difference is equals to 25 minus 8, then minus 8. Okay, then which is equals to, we need multiple of 11, so which is equals to 11. 25 minus 8 is 17 minus 8, which is equals to 11. Write the 17. So here there is a minus a, we can transfer to the right side, so it will get the positive number. Then here there is 11, if it comes to the left hand side, it will get the negative sign. 17, it will come here left hand side, that is minus 11, which is equals to minus a goes to the right hand side, it will get the positive sign. Okay, then 17 minus 11 is 6, which is equals to a. The value of a is 6. So we have to fill the 6 in the given space, then we will get the number is divisible by 11. Okay, yes, right here. Therefore 8, 6 in the space and 9, 4, 8, 4 is divisible by 11. Is divisible by 11. Okay, yes. Up to here we have completed the exercise 3.3. In the next class we are going to learn about the